Hi everyone, welcome to the third and final video in our 1.5 applications of percent videos. We're going to be going through the practice word problems. I would recommend that before each one of these problems, you pause, you try to solve it, and then you go ahead and turn the video back on to see if you and I both got the same thing. You're more than welcome to follow along, but because I'm hoping that you're simply checking your work, I am going to go a little bit faster through these examples than I was before. So if a monthly mortgage payment increases is important. Increases means it goes up. So if it's going up from 840 to 820, okay, and if I look at my question, it says, what is the percent? So because I don't know the percent, I'm going to put the X above the 100. This is a percent change, a percent increase problem. So I take my starting price, and that goes down here. I need to calculate the change. To get the change, I'm going to take my new minus the original. So my change is $42. And once I have everything I need, I'm going to go ahead and cross multiply. So 42 times 100 is 4,200. 840 times x is 840x. I'm going to go ahead and divide by 840 because that's the number in front of x. So 4,200 divided by 840 is 5. So what that means is I had a 5% increase in the mortgage payment. Okay, go ahead and pause. Try problem 2 on your own. Okay. Welcome back. Hopefully you went ahead and paused. So if I look at what I have here, I'm being asked to find a new salary. So hopefully, because it's not asking for a percent, I can go through and find that percentage. And I see this right here, and I see the word raise. That means it's going up. If you receive a raise, you receive more money. So if we think back to our change problems, when it's an increase, I add. So 100 plus 4, because it's a raise, would be 104%. Okay, so hopefully we're given a starting amount. So we see starting salary, that goes down here. That's the amount that we're going to start with. That's our original amount. What we're trying to find is how much does the computer technician, the person, get paid. So once I have my proportions, I go ahead and solve. So we have 46,000 times 104. That would be 4,784,000 is equal to 100x. Then I'm going to divide by 100 because that's the number in front of x. And I'm going to get $47,840. And if you don't believe me, we can quickly do that on the calculator. The reason why I can do that so quickly, and it seems like I'm doing it in my head, is if I can divide by the zeros, then that's where I get this number. Okay, on to practice example number 3. Go ahead and pause and try it on your own. If we look at the question that we're being asked, it says, what is the percent? That tells me immediately when I set this up that my x goes above the 100. Then I must be looking at two different numbers. I need to decide what's going on between them. A family pays an electric bill of $172 a month. With careful monitoring, they can reduce their bill to, reduce means go down, their bill to $163.40. What is the percent decrease? That means it's going down. So if we think about the start, the one of $172, that's the start. And they're hoping to make it go down. I need to find the change. So to calculate the change, I do 172 minus $163.40. So if I do $172 minus $163.40, I get a change of $8.60. So now that I have my proportion set up, we go ahead and cross multiply. I'd get 172x is equal to 860. So, because if we do 8.6 times 100, we get 860. And now I'm going to divide by 172 because that's the number in front of x. And it just so happens to be 5. They're not always 5. It just so happens that these are 5 and a 5 right in a row. But the percent decrease is 5%. Okay, go ahead and pause and then turn it back on. Welcome back to question 4. When you look at question 4, hopefully you notice that it gives us a percentage and it says the words off. Sale, right? So if it's on sale, if something's on sale, it's supposed to go down in price. Okay? And so the other word that sticks out to me is originally cost. That's my starting amount. It has the word original in there. So as I set up my proportions, if this is my percentage going down, I'm not only paying 25%, I'm taking 25% off. So normally it's 100%, I'm taking 25% off. That means I'm paying 75% of the price. Okay, so if it's 25% off, you still have to pay the other 75%. That's why there's a 75% there. And so now I'm going to take my original cost and put that here. Okay, and so now if I look at, I'm looking for the sale price. I'm trying to calculate how much money am I going to spend on this item. So if we cross multiply 199 times 75, that'd be 14,925 is equal to 100x. And if we divide by 100, because that's the number in front of x, I'm going to get $149.25. You can go ahead and divide real quick if you want. I got that by taking my decimal point, moving it 2 to the left, and that's how I knew that this was going to be $149.25.